Hey guys, Rick and Mike, and right now we're talking about patience and what time arbitrage means. So, in a world of increasing, I don't want to say rushedness, but you've got technology and impatience speeding up holding times on stocks. I mean, stocks now, the average holding time for stocks is what, 5.5 months?
Yeah, I've seen estimates even lower.
Yeah. And you get these high frequency traders, you're talking a couple thousand trades a day.
But it's come down a lot over the long term. Investors used to make investments with longer term time horizons than they do today.
Yeah. So now it's just quick, quick, quick. How do we think about stock holding period?
Yeah, I think filtering out the noise that you get in markets, because you're right, there's a deluge of information, that's constantly coming in to try to determine what are the critical, factors that are going to drive the success or failure of a business over the longer term time horizon. That's what we focus on. We looked at the portfolio holdings. We tracked this. Of the holdings we had today, the average holding period is 5.5 years, which is nearly 10 times that of the average investor. And I like to describe what we're doing as time arbitrage. We're taking a longer term outlook to allow our investment thesis to unfold much longer than the typical investor is either willing or able to for whatever reason. And so for us, I think that's been a significant factor driving the strong performance of the equity portfolio and a big differentiator for us.
Yeah, I mean, Visa, Microsoft, Alphabet, we've had those for, dang, 9 years.
Yeah, we've been operating this about 9.5 years, and we've held those investments about the same time. So, for us, like when you look at the business, I think as long as your thesis is intact and there's nothing that's changed. And we've seen a lot of fluctuations. ASML is a great example of this. This is a business that we've invested in for over 5 years. We've had multiple declines in that stock price of north of 40%. Now, it's averaged a great return over that period, but it was our faith in the fundamentals of the business, the strength of management, the defensive characteristics of their business, their moat, so to speak, that they would be able to sustain the ability to generate the cash flows that are going to drive the stock price higher, and having the patience, to deal with the ups and downs.
Yep. Patience, patience, patience. Thanks a lot. See you soon.